tulad ng mga naglalakas ng water cannons, pagbablock ng resupply missions sa BRP Sierra Madre and other outposts ng ating gobyerno sa mga islang sakop ng ating bansa. Meron pang nabulag at milyones na nasira sa ating equipments at boats, pati na rin yung pagkaputol ng daliri ng isa nating tropa. So, marami ng action na would have triggered the Mutual Defense Treaty pero we do not trigger it. Kasi nga again, we are not worth the geopolitical hassle ng labanan ng US at People's Republic of China. Maybe kung tayo ay yung Taiwan with their ASML and the TSMC, siguro makikipaglaban sila para makip tayo as their ally, to have us under their umbrella. However much diplomatic protest they do, however much solidarity ang sasabihin sa atin ng EU, US at ng kung ano pang bansa, nothing will change. Puro salita lamang, kaya we should not stake our claim based on the UNCLOS at UN na magsasalita sa eulogy natin ng mga flowery words. I mean, talagang mahal na mahal namin yung Pilipinas and we are so